है.
Does it affect our mental health?
Yeah. No, how do
Mental
how
health.
do I care? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज हमारे साथ हैं वर्तिका, विभूति एंड हंसिका. तो ये दोनों मेरी कजन सिस्टर्स हैं एंड शी इज़ माई सिबलिंग. आज हम कर रहे हैं हु नोज मी बेटर चैलेंज. वर्तिका वर्सेस विभूति वर्सेस हंसिका. मैं इन तीनों से 10 क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी मेरे बारे में और जिसने ज़्यादा सही आंसर्स दिए वो ये चैलेंज जीत जाएगा. बेसिकली जो भी ये चैलेंज जीतेगा उसको मैं मेकओवर दूंगी हेड टू टो प्लस फोटोशूट. सो या
Okay.
आर यू एक्साइटेड नाउ?
Yes.
अब अच्छा लग रहा है सुन के.
Now I want to win.
So guys, I have my questions and my answers in this phone. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. So first question is, do I like meeting new people?
Done?
Yes.
Can we show on the
So my answer is yes. Now let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All of them has written yes.
But obvious.
So 1
Yeah,
point
this
two.
was very easy.
Yeah. So second question is, what do I wanted to be when I was a child? Vartika? No cheating.
How would I know I wanted to be born? Or I don't remember, obviously.
तुक्का
Take
मार
a
ले.
wild
I
guess.
was very young.
तुक्का मार ले. ठीक है. My answer is, I wanted to become a hostess, air hostess.
No.
Yes. मम्मा जाके पूछ ले.
You wanted to become a pilot, not an air hostess.
Okay, pilot. Okay, ठीक है.
Oh, you can't change your answer.
I'll tell you
You
first.
can't pilot.
No,
pilot.
no, 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 no.
Show your answers first. Show your answers first.
No.
डॉक्टर. मेरे को कभी डॉक्टर बनना ही था. इसने क्या लिखा है? एक्ट्रेस मॉडल.
Nahin. So I'll tell you the story behind this. I was always Dr. Dolly and
पायलट
pilot.
एयर होस्टेस बोल.
But how would I remember? That isn't fair. for
चलो
me,
ठीक है.
यार. How would I remember?
ठीक है. इन दोनों को एक भी पॉइंट नहीं मिला एंड डॉलीज आर 2 1 ओके. थर्ड क्वेश्चन. तो थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट आर माय फेवरेट सीरीज. एंड टेल यू कि मेरी 3 फेवरेट सीरीज है. सो या
I know this. I know nothing.
इफ यू गेट 2 करेक्ट देन यू गेट अ पॉइंट आउट ऑफ 3.
यार.
So my answer is Friends, Two Broke Girls, Tarak Mehta, Two Broke Girls / Money Heist and Tarak Mehta. So let's see your answers.
It's Tarak Mehta, Friends,
Two Broke Girls and Money Heist. Very good. Your answers. It's Friends, Game of Thrones. मैंने कभी देखा भी नहीं
And she's got Mirzapur and not Game of Thrones.
She literally cut Mirzapur and she wrote Game of Thrones. And okay, she got 2 correct, Friends and Money Heist. तो वर्तिया के आंसर्स हैं Friends / Mirzapur / Money Heist / Special Ops.
इसका तो माइनस लिखो ना. ये 3 बताने थे. वो तो
एक सेकंड / सारा भाई वर्सेस सारा. मैंने कभी देखा भी नहीं है. मैंने कभी देखा भी नहीं है भाई सारा भाई वर्सेस सारा भाई. ओके, वर्तिया के फ्रेंड्स और मनी हाइस्ट सही है तो या शी गेट्स. सो इस क्वेश्चन में तीनों को 1-1 पॉइंट मिलता है. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू आवर फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. So, am I super organized, clean, or am I very messy and dirty? Like when it comes to my room, so yeah. How do I like my room to be? बढ़िया का देखो, कॉन्फिडेंस हो जाए गलत हो गया तो
मर्दिका और तेरा गलत होने वाला है.
तो अपना आंसर लिख लिया. So I am a very messy and dirty person. Like my room is very messy and dirty.
No.
Messi to the power 1 million.
But you are not.
Messi to the power 1 million.
Yes.
Can you see this? Messy to the
My
purpose.
answer was messy and dirty, so they will get a point.
पर मेरा गलत होने वाला है. Okay, fine. I
So
just took the
three of-
blame of being messy.
All equal.
So it's
But okay.
3 each, right? Yeah. The fifth question is, do I prefer dogs or cats? I mean that is pretty obvious, but एक थोड़ा simple point देना पड़ता है.
Wait, I'm not done. Ari, don't move your shoulder. Done. I'm done.
Okay, my answer is but always dogs. I drew a little dog.
Me too.
Showcase my.
This is so cute.
Hello, this.
This is just like Vartika.
ये बहुत
यार
गंदा बना
ये
है.
पिग लग रहा है ब्रो. ये पेपा पिग है.
So this thing looks like a pig, but yeah.
पेपा पिग.
Ari, this
I
looks
don't
cute
know.
only.
3 of them get a point for this question also. Okay, next. So this question is very interesting. I want to see तुम लोग क्या लिखते हो. On a scale from 1 to 10, how much do I care about my social media?
Like, in what sense?
Like, you know, मतलब मुझे कितना like मेरे कितने फिक्र है मेरे social media की. Like that's what the question is, how much do I care about my social media? Like about the on a scale from 1 to 10.
The post and stuff or the
The
privacy
post on
and
my
stuff.
privacy, or you know, me getting insecure from my social media. Like if it gets hacked or anything.
So how does it affect our mental health?
Yeah. No, how do I care?
So my answer is 8 to 9. Like you know, 8 or 9 both. Like it's between 8, 8.5 or 9. So yeah, let's see the answers.
I wrote 7.
I wrote 8.5.
I wrote 9.8.
I get them. I wrote quite a lot, but kind of very cool.
बताना. Quite a lot, but kind of cool. Yeah.
But that's 7.
But that's 7.
No.
That's quite a lot.
7 is less for me. You know?
I think she's very, very, very
पहले
active.
खुद सोच ले.
But then
7
very
is
not very
less for me.
obsessive.
Yeah.
Very active,
So it's you know
And very
between
carefree.
8 and 9.
but then she's not very
Yeah.
obsessive.
Vibhuti Didi gets the
Why
point.
did I write 9.8? Like,
हाँ.
what was I thinking?
What is 9.8? It's either 9 or 10.
9.8 मतलब 10 ही लिख देती है आपको.
The seventh question is, what is my biggest fear?
Oh.
So basically there are two that I am really, you know, scared of. The two things that I don't, you know, I would prefer to do any like
Okay,
Any one of them?
anytime
I know
soon.
this.
Any one of them?
Huh?
Any one of them?
Any one or two, yeah, both works, or even one works. At least one. At least one.
I'm sure about one.
So my okay, all done.
Yeah.
So my answer is getting on a plane and the plane crashes, or getting on a ship and the ship sinks.
My biggest fear is darkness.
No.
Everything with dark room.
I know.
No,
I know.
it's this.
I
And you should know this because
See, we can write two, right? Losing loved ones.
पर ये तो बड़ा ही एविडेंट है. ये अकेले अंधेरे रूम में नहीं जाती है.
Budhi,
so
that's not the last thing I would do. मैं अंधेरे में बहुत बार
You
बैठी
would?
हुई हूँ. This is the last thing.
नहीं,
I would do.
but I'm not there.
We can
She
go
This is
there.
the last thing you would do. We could write two answers, right?
Losing
Losing loved ones is
Arey,
not in
she-
my hands.
Exactly.
It's not in
She,
my
what is the
hands.
last thing she would do?
That I would
I
do.
mean,
I fear.
I get it. I get
And
it.
I'll tell you why.
This is her fear, okay? So she watched Titanic and then she watched like a few films like that, Life of Pi. Life of Pi, films like that. And then she's like, I'm never getting on a ship. Like never ever. She is so scared of water. Then I used to watch documentaries on YouTube about ships sinking.
It was really scary and
So now she's scared of getting on planes also and on ships also.
Only bus and train
So
also.
you go to US or Canada, wherever you want to go, on foot.
next question is really interesting. What are the 3 items that I would like to take with me on a deserted island? Okay. So my
What the
answer
answer?
is food, obviously, my phone and makeup.
Oh my god, I got 3 right.
I got
three all the 3 right.
No, I wrote phone, food, and power bank.
Power bank comes along with phone.
No.
It's still there on my
No,
phone.
wait.
All of them gets a point, like get a point, but then
Ritika, मैं
we
एक
both
और
were like, very precise. They wrote makeup, food, and phone.
Yeah.
She also wrote the same thing. Okay, let's move on to our 9th question, which is, how do I feel about putting pineapples on my pizza? Do I prefer putting pineapples on the pizza or no?
Dun dun. I'm pretty confident.
I am not confident about the answer at all.
I am. चलिए भाई.
Okay, so my answer is, like, I like pineapple and my pizza differently. Like, I like pineapple ऐसे और pizza ऐसे. I don't like pineapple on my pizza. So yeah, it's a big no.
Yucky. Hate it.
I wrote you won't mind because it's a pizza.
I wrote maybe.
Yeah. even
What
I
is it
wrote-
maybe?
This is all-
It is
maybe.
yes or no. It is
Maybe.
yucky.
It's a big no.
Arre.
So this is the last question that I'm gonna ask. What are the 3 best things that happened to me in 2020? 3 best so far.
Okay, fine. I wrote it.
Okay,
I've written 4.
so my answer is, first of all, शुरू से लेकर अभी तक, it was Tanmay Bhatt and everyone wishing me.
Yes.
So it was like Tanmay Bhatt, like most of the comedians and the team of Okay Tested, they wished me on my birthday. And second thing is, I made my Instagram profile.
Yes, okay. And the third thing is?
I joined Lakme Academy and
Yes, I got all 3 right.
I got one additional, which is getting an iPhone.
I got all the 3 right.
No.
So I wrote
became IG
Okay,
influencer.
IG, YouTube,
Makeup
makeup
influencer.
influencer, okay. Tanmay Bhatt wishes and Makeup Academy, okay. She got a point.
I wrote YouTube and Insta page, tripod, ring light, and Tanmay Bhatt.
If you
Okay,
would
she
have
got 2 right.
if you would have written the worst thing that happened, I would say
I wrote 4, and out of them 3 are right.
Okay, so Dolly wrote iPhone, YouTube/Instagram, Makeup Academy, and birthday surprise given by her. So yeah, she tried a lot. She gave me the best birthday surprise. So Tanmay Bhatt,
I have upped the game.
Anubhav Basit, Samir Raina, and
Akash
Akash Gupta.
Saurabh Pant,
Yeah,
everybody wished her.
the team of
Akshay
Okay
Nair,
Tested.
yes. The team of Okay
They all wished me. So all 3 of them get a point. We are done with the quiz. And now let's see किसने सबसे ज़्यादा points score करे हैं. So first we'll start with Vartika. Vartika is on 7 on 10. Dolly, surprisingly, she got 7 on 10. And the biggest surprise, Vibhuti got 8 on 10. But I expected 9 on 10. So yeah. So yeah, Vibhuti is the winner of this round.
Special prize.
I took the
This
blame of being
challenge-
messy on my head, so.
So basically, I am happy because मैंने इन दोनों का makeover कर रखा है, मैंने इन दोनों का photoshoot कर रखा है. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you liked it.
If you liked it, please press the like button.
Share it, guys.
subscribe to our channel, and please don't forget to press that bell icon to get notified whenever she posts a video.
Ganti bajao.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.